Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Grand Hyatt BGC. Sabay-sabay natin kilalanin ang susunod natin na guest. Tara, samahan niyo kami. Hi, Shera!
Yes,
Kamusta?
Abel. Hello, Merry Christmas.
Kamusta ka? Ang sexy mo.
Oh, thank you.
Anong ginagawa mo?
OMAD.
Nomad? Hindi ko kaya yun.
OMAD.
Hindi ko
Oo,
kaya
Manila
yun. Ang hirap
Oo.
yun.
Di naman.
Bakit nandito tayo sa Grand Hyatt? Anong meron dito? Anong ganap?
It's because I just live nearby sa tapat.
Oh!
That's one. Point number one. Second, this like my second office na din.
Second office, big time siya guys ha.
No?
Kasi nasa Grand Hyatt tayo. Afford. Iba ka na talaga.
No, di naman.
Okay, sige. And,
Parang ikaw. Iba ka
hindi
na. Oo,
Pero gusto kong i-try yung ano yan, OMAD na yan.
Oo.
Pero kailangan ko
It's
pa
really
ba?
good.
Pero
You're
napasexy ka
good.
talaga.
Oh, thank you.
Sige, upo nga tayo dito. Let's
Sige,
go here.
Yeah, thank
Dito
you.
tayo magchichikahan portion. At ang bongga ng ating setup.
Yan, so-
May mga pa-aesthetics na foods at meron tayong pa-Christmas tree.
Hindi
At
na
may
Hindi
pa-mango
pa kasi ako
juice.
kumakain. I do go to PGH. I
Mm.
do go to, and then, ano yan, out of the blue. It depends on the mood.
Okay.
And then, I will just observe sa may cashier area. Nakikinig-kinig lang ako ng ganon. And then,
Passers-by, okay.
and then I'll talk to the lady doon, and then ask, "Ma'am, why is she crying?
Mm.
What's her problem?" "Ma'am, it's because she needed money,
Mhm.
for immediate operation and all. And how much is the, it's actually only like this." I said, "Okay."
Binigyan mo?
And then I paid for it. And then I told the cashier. So the cashier said, "Oh, ma'am, you have to tell her no. Just tell her to pray and thank God." That's it. And then they even asked my name. I said, no, thank you. So
Okay.
I mean, not all the time.
Wow,
But,
ang bait naman ni Shera.
No, I mean, it is because, diba, we're stewards eh.
Mm-mm.
We're stewards.
Mm-mm.
So all the resources now, it's not
Hindi mo
mine.
naman siya madadala
It's
din.
not mine.
Okay.
So I have to
Share.
and maybe this is really God talaga blessing me. It's not for me talaga.
Mm-mm.
It's not for me. I have to
Give it back to the
Yes, oo.
community. Okay. Lahat tayo may pinakamahirap na pinagdaanan sa buhay. For sure, meron ka din.
Mm.
Do you still remember that?
Oh yes.
How do you